probably the biggest cost that the household has. And it is also probably the biggest trap and the biggest deception all rolled into one, who are taking on the mortgage provider, taking on the courts, taking on the bailiffs. If you send notices, affidavits, these presentments in courtrooms, if you bring in experts with expert opinions, get forensic mortgage reports, all of these types of things, they're all very time consuming, they're all very expensive, and it brings a lot of emotion into the equation. It also becomes pretty head on, full on with how much time you've got to spend interacting with the bank, with the courts, with anybody else that gets involved. Law firms often get involved. So it can be a really time consuming endeavor, which most of the time doesn't yield the result you're looking for. There are some exceptions, and I'm going to cover that in a minute, but basically it breaks you. It really emotionally drains you if you take on the system against your mortgage provider or anybody else involved in the mortgage. And even if you win it, it's going to take a long time to win it. And the bank and the mortgage market doesn't want you to win that. There's no courtroom involved. There's no notices. There's no adversarial claims being made. Your mortgage provider won't even know that you're doing this. When you created the mortgage in the first place, you deposited credit with the mortgage provider, and the mortgage provider used that credit to create the mortgage. That credit that you used, or they used to create the mortgage, was then abandoned, and you're able to recoup that credit, which means you're able to recoup the face value of the mortgage, to discharge the mortgage, just like if you'd sold the property and you're going to discharge the mortgage with fiat currency, no war, no fight, no questions, just a peaceful exit. So you're really just playing the game of Monopoly smarter, because you'll be spending and recouping and spending and recouping. And this is why it's a peaceful way to exit the mortgage.